In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mini course on Thinkific. Creating a mini course is one of the fastest ways to share your knowledge, help your audience get a quick win, or generate leads for your business. The key is to keep it focused. Instead of trying to teach everything you know, build your mini course around solving one specific problem over a short period, usually about 2 to 4 weeks. That makes the course easier to create, easier for students to complete, and more likely to deliver a clear result. To begin, head over to your Thinkific dashboard and open the Products menu, then select Courses. From there, click New Course. You'll be prompted to give your course a title, and this is a good moment to make sure the title clearly communicates the outcome students can expect. After that, choose whether you want to start with a blank template or use the AI course outline generator. If you already know exactly how you want to structure the course, the blank option gives you full control. If you want help organizing your ideas, the AI outline tool can save time and give you a solid starting framework. Once your course shell is created, start building the curriculum. A mini course usually works best with 1 to 3 modules, or chapters, and a few short lessons inside each one. Think simple and focused. The goal is not to overwhelm students, but to guide them step by step. As you add chapters and lessons, keep your video content bite-sized. A good rule of thumb is to keep individual videos under 5 minutes. Short lessons tend to hold attention better and make it easier for students to keep moving forward. As you build out the lessons, use the content uploader to bulk upload your materials. This is especially helpful if you already have your course assets prepared, such as videos, PDFs, or audio files. Uploading in batches can make the setup process much faster and helps you stay organized as you place each file into the right lesson. After the curriculum is in place, move on to customizing your course settings. This is where you make the learning experience look polished and feel aligned with your brand. Start by adding a course image or thumbnail and writing a short, compelling description. This description should quickly explain what the course is about and why someone should enroll. Keep it clear and benefit-driven so visitors immediately understand the value. Next, customize the course player. Thinkific gives you options to adjust the appearance, including light or dark mode, brand colors, and your logo. These small visual details make your course feel more professional and consistent with the rest of your business or content. You'll also want to review the progress and completion settings. Here, you can decide how students interact with the lessons. For example, you can set requirements for video lesson progress, choose whether lessons autoplay, and decide if you want to issue completion certificates. These settings help shape the learning experience and can make the course feel more structured and rewarding. Once the course content and settings look good, it's time to set your pricing. Mini courses work extremely well as free lead magnets if your goal is to grow your email list, but they can also be offered as low-cost products for quick impulse purchases. Inside the course builder, go to the pricing tab and choose the payment structure that fits your strategy. You can select free, one-time payment, or subscription. If you plan to charge for the course, make sure your payment processor is already connected in your main dashboard settings, such as Stripe or PayPal, so everything runs smoothly when students check out. When your content and pricing are finalized, you're ready to publish. Click the Publish button and choose whether you want to make the course available as a pre-order or publish it immediately. Pre-order can be useful if you want to start promoting before the full launch, while immediate publishing is ideal if everything is ready to go live now. Finally, edit your landing page using Thinkific's built-in site builder. Update the banners, headlines, and call to action buttons so the page clearly presents your offer and encourages signups. Once the page looks the way you want, share the landing page link on your social media channels or send it to your email list to start enrolling students. That's the full process for creating and launching a mini course on Thinkific in a simple, focused way.